Did you expect that, Jeff?
I didn't expect it. It's just
That's an outrageous amount of food.
Wow.
See new faces and brand new things. Gotta go places and do things. Maybe to forget.
So well organized and beautiful. Well organized and beautiful. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Jimmy, how are you?
Hey, Jeff, how are you?
I'm okay. We just finished watching the movie. It was okay. It's my second time. Absolutely. I love all the videos and thanks for visiting
Yeah,
again.
but I think like we have only like 1,000, I think. I
Yes.
remember.
Yes.
Yeah. Till now we have like almost 10,000. Thank you, Jeff.
Yeah, it's nice seeing
So
you
glad
guys.
to see you here. It's just an odd because like we live nearby Venice Mall, and then we just take Jeff randomly because we just found Airbnb place today, and then Jeff was like, I'm watching movie in Venice Mall. I was like, oh, what an odd. That's crazy.
I was like thinking that you're gonna be staying in BGC.
Oh,
That's what they said. It said you're in BGC. I don't know the
I don't
difference.
know.
Well, BGC is like 15 minutes away from here. So yeah, it's open now.
Oh,
They
at
3 a.m. Okay.
So Jeff, we are going for the Filipino food.
Sure.
Oh.
a lot actually.
Well, it makes sense.
I can tell more, but I like a lot of food. That's why I get this hat.
That Sean, Sissig, and
That's about it.
no, Jeff, we try a lot, but we don't know the name. We forgot the name, but we remember the name of food that we love a lot.
Okay.
We try like a bunch of soup, beginning with B. I need to try.
Beach.
Begin with B. Bulok, bulak. Maybe bulal.
It has the
I tried that.
they have it here.
This looks so good. What is it called again, Jeff?
Kare Kare.
Kare Kare. Kare Kare. Oh, it's curry, is it?
It's not curry.
Because it's Kare Kare, sound like curry curry.
It's different from curry, but they look the same. Yeah. Because of
It's so good to come here and eat with Filipino. We have never eat with Filipino. Never.
Other than the Filipino Fiesta.
Other than Filipino Fiesta. And the guy at the restaurant who owned the restaurant. And
okay, so we'll get the Kare Kare. That's beef. Alright. I think that's oxtail. Okay. But that tastes really good. Aroy makmak.
Kare makmak.
Aroy makmak.
Aroy makmak.
That's very delicious,
That's
right?
very delicious. How to say aroy makmak in Filipino?
Masarap.
In Tagalog.
Masarap.
Masarap.
That's right.
To me, you should remember this. Okay,
You
masarap.
pronounced it right.
Well, there you go.
There you go, masarap.
I know masarap and salamat.
Masarap and salamat. And mabuhay.
I also get a sisig because you like it.
And sisig. In Thailand, you know, we have food and we share, right? So how is it in Philippines?
If you're in a group, you can share food.
Yeah.
But we also have individual servings,
Yeah.
so it doesn't matter. I mean, we share food as well.
Okay, that's good. I love sharing. Sharing is caring.
I know.
I'm a Wonder Woman. I wonder if what kind of Filipino food that you love the most here in the menu that you think that you love the most, that you think you want to order
I like
most.
the Kare Kare if it's pork, because I
Okay.
don't eat beef. But I like the soup. Okay.
The soup,
I like
okay.
the sisig as well. It's the pork mash. Yeah. And I think those are the two wines that I like the most.
Okay, that's awesome. Can't wait to try. Thank you, salamat.
Thank you.
Look at how you see this, that.
I think it's spring onion.
Oh my god, what is this, Jeff?
That's bagoong.
Shrimp paste.
That's right.
It must be salty.
It is. Free.
Adobo for Jay.
Adobo is a popular Philippines cuisine. Involves meat marinated in vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, and black peppercorn, which is browned in oil and simmered in the marinade.
This is the first time I've seen this kind of adobo, because normally it's black. Yeah. I'm not sure why it's that color, but hopefully it tastes good.
Jeff, that's a lot of food. Did you expect that, Jeff?
I didn't expect it. It's just...
Kare Kare is a Philippine stew complemented with a thick, savory peanut sauce. The stew is flavored with ground roasted peanuts or peanut butter onion and garlic.
It smells amazing.
It does.
It's a
taste good
what?
too. Oxtail.
What is oxtail?
The cow's tail.
Sissig is a Filipino dish made from parts of the pig, usually from the pig head, normally seasoned with calamansi and chili pepper.
Do you notice something, guys? Beef, meat.
I would never be a vegetarian. I would never do it.
I'm not going to try it. Alright, so chow time.
What is it? What do you call?
Chow time.
Food. Definitely bring much food.
The fact is that you don't look.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Well, chili.
You're a chili person.
Oh yeah. Chili and coffee.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I'm so full. And they got unlimited water, Dave. That's so good. Because I drink so much water.
You say like a whale shark.
Yeah, like a whale shark. What is your favorite, babe? Jimmy,
The Sissig.
come on.
I'm a huge fan of Sissig.
Yeah, I'm a huge fan of Sissig too.
Here, we can take this up.
I would recommend anybody coming to the Philippines try Sissig. It's so easy to find anywhere too, right? Dave?
Anywhere, that's right.
Yeah.
But there are stores here that really sells good seasoning.
Okay.
But they don't have it here in BGC. That one's just okay, but once you taste the best one here, oh man, it was so good.
Yeah, I love Sissig. Especially I love when we forgot.
What?
We forgot to put the calamansi in it.
Oh yeah.
Damn.
It's no longer hot. And then we forgot we just ate the food. Yeah.
That's why I feel like something is missing, because most of the time when we go to Sissig, we always put calamansi. And one thing I noticed about Filipino food, I think a lot of food they love to put calamansi in it, right?
A lot.
Filipino love calamansi.
Calamansi and soy sauce.
Oh yeah, that's the best. That is the one we had at lunch when we were on the boat trip in El Nido. It's amazing. They make a grilled chicken, they make a grilled fish, and they make like a side dish as like soy sauce with tomato with calamansi. So good.
Because of the bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah. And every weekend you'd see people, they would actually, a lot of people would stay here, they would cover everything. You couldn't even walk.
Really? It's so good that we come here Wednesday night, right?
But this is just okay, but on the weekend you would not like it.
It's so fast, you can't even take a picture.
One thing about this bridge is that you smell of food.
There's restaurants all around.
Because all around you.
And on the weekend they have shows. There are singers here. Yeah, they put up a good show here on a weekend.
Really?
But it's so expensive to ride the gondola.
Is it?
How much?
We tried it. It's like 1,500 for 4 people. And I won't try it again.
No,
No,
That's-
it will only take like maybe 10 minutes.
1,000 peso, you can swim with whale shark.
I know. For 2. It's 500, right?
Oh,
That's
because you are a
500
local.
It's 1,000.
Really?
You need a lot of that.
Oh, dude, it's so good. It's so good. You want
It
this?
is good, sure.